We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Lexmark CX417de. So you want to go ahead and pull your tray out. So these little green tabs, this is going to be for the size of paper that you're using. So make sure that is in the correct slot and locked into place. Another thing is, if you're needing to do legal, you'd have to press this blue button and expand the tray. Also, the ones on this side are for like multimedia, envelopes, labels, anything smaller than normal paper, so make sure that's in the same slot as well. You also have these little tabs. They are the max level indicators. Just make sure not to feel too close or over that, because if you do, it's really hard for the printer to pick up the paper. Another thing is, instead of just taking your new paper and setting it in your tray and going about your business, sometimes the paper's not always aligned. So what we recommend is to take your old paper out, mix it with your new paper, and then we live in Oklahoma, so a lot of times there's like condensation or humidity in the air, so I do like to fan it out because some pages could stick together. So go ahead and fan it out if you would, and then make sure to line up all the pages at the same time, stick it in your tray, then you should be good to go. This will help eliminate jams, but it's not the only thing that causes jams. If you're in need of a service or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.